Marcus Huntley. I'm arresting you on suspicion of murder. I'm going to caution you, you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
The time is 23 minutes past 10. You're going to be arrested for the murder of Joanne Penney, which has happened in the Talbot Green area of South Wales.
At this moment in time, you're under arrest for murder, okay? Does that make sense?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Listen to what I'm about to tell you.
Anything.
Listen. At this moment in time, you're under arrest for murder. You don't have to say anything now. You just from questions from each electoral court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. Necessity to arrest. Prompt and effective investigation to prevent any physical injury to anyone else.